Here's how to stop App Store from asking for a password in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. This usually happens because of password settings for free downloads, Face ID not being enabled properly, or screen time restrictions. Let's fix it step by step. First, open Settings and tap your Apple ID name at the top. Tap Media and Purchases, then select Password Settings. If you don't see this option, Face ID is controlling App Store access. Under Free Downloads, turn off Require Password. This stops App Store from asking for a password for free apps. Go back to Settings and tap Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode. Make sure iTunes and App Store is turned on under Use Face ID 4. Restart your iPhone to apply the changes. After restarting, the App Store may ask for your Apple ID password once. After that, Face ID should be used instead. If it still asks for a password, go to Settings, then tap Screen Time. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Go to iTunes and App Store Purchases. Under Require Password, select Don't Require. Paid apps will still require authentication. This only affects free downloads and Face ID behavior. Keeping Face ID enabled is the most secure and convenient option. And that's it. That's how you stop the App Store from asking for your password every time in 2026. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.